Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I have posted one Google Classroom code. Can you see it in the messenger box? The chat box I
Yes,
have.
ma'am.
Yeah. Please, all of you, just go there and just enter yourself. Okay. I will post all the notes and everything there only in the Google Classroom code which I have given you. If someone is not able to see, please note it down. That is Z3W34FZ. Is it clear? Is it clear to all of you? Okay. What happened?
Many are still joining. Many.
Hello. Hello. Okay. Now I'm starting in the class. Z3, I have already posted in the chat box. You can see in the chat box, I have already posted it. If you are unable to see, I am repeating it. That is Z3W34FZ. All are in small letters. No alphabet is in capital. Okay, no alphabet is in capital letter. All are in small letter only. Okay, now
What we have to do with that?
you have to go there and you have to enter yourself. You have to join you there. That is the thing you have to do. Now I am going
Where?
to discuss about, please all of you unmute yourself and ready with your notebook and pen. Because of
Repeat, ma'am, please, ma'am.
it is in the chat box.
It's not there.
How it is not there? How you can say it is not there?
Ma'am, before our joining, you posted there. That's why we are unable to see it.
It is there. I will post it later on. Now it is a class. After that, I will post it in the group only. If you are not able to see, you can. I will just post it in the group. And please do not chat there. Okay. Now today I am starting the class with question words. What are those question words? And what are those things? Any idea about the question words? Any one of you? What do you mean by the question
Yes,
words?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Question word, where, how, why. Yes, ma'am. When,
Why, where?
where, how, what, whom. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am giving some example of how only. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
How kind of school do you want to study at? This how is of which type?
What, ma'am?
How kind of school, how kind of college do you want to study at?
It's a type of adjective.
What?
Adjective.
No, adjective not. Another example I am giving you. How did you get there alone? How did you get there alone? Next, how do you manage to laugh like this? How do you manage to laugh like this? Here, what represents how? What does how represents? Manner. It represent manner. Now, which lesson would you like to study? Which chapter would you like to study? Which song do you like more? Which movie do you want to go this weekend? What does it reflect? Does it reflect manner? Does it reflect place? Does it reflect time? Does it reflect person? Or does it reflect your choice?
My choice.
Choice. It
Choice.
reflects our choice. Why it reflects our choice?
Because this thing is going asking me about what to do according to me. That's why it's reflect our choice. They're asking me.
Yeah, they are asking you that which thing you want to do. So it reflects the choice. Now, next one, whose? Anyone is having an idea what do you mean by a possession? P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-O-N. What does this word means? Any one of you?
Desire,
What does it mean?
position, अवस्था,
Please say speak
अवस्था,
clearly. What does it mean? Possession का मतलब क्या होता है?
position होता है अवस्था होना.
Huh?
Ma'am, please repeat the spelling.
P-O-S-S-E-S-S-I-O-N.
Ma'am, something related
The
to
act
power.
of the act
Power,
of
control.
having or taking in
The act of?
the act of having or taking into control.
Yeah. Taking into controls. That word is possession. Okay. So now, whose? Whose book did you bring me? Whose birthday today? Whose notebook did you borrow? What does these things reflect? Whose booking is there?
Questions.
Questions. Question word is already whose is a question word, but what does it reflect?
It reflects a person.
How it reflect a person? It belongs to someone else, but now it is yours. You have occupied. You have the occupancy on that. So it is a possession. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now whom? Does whom is a question word or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is.
Whom is a question word?
Yes.
How it
Yes,
can
ma'am.
be? Give me one example. Give me one example of whom. How you can show that is a question word. Whom did you see yesterday? Is it a question word or not?
Yes.
Whom
And
did
with
you
whom
see
you are
yesterday?
moving.
Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
With whom you are moving.
Yeah, with whom you are
Moving.
moving or roaming?
Ma'am, both can. Roaming
Both,
is
huh?
also good. Both are correct.
Both are correct. How you can say both are correct? Moving means what?
Ma'am, moving from one place to another. Maybe you are in other migrating some one place to another.
And roaming means?
In that sense, in roaming means moving here and there with someone.
Okay, and traveling means?
Traveling means you have fixed your destiny and you are moving towards your destiny. That's means the traveling. You are traveling from that place to this.
And if I say with whom you are going?
Ma'am, with whom you are going? And it's also correct, but I don't have any about this technical idea about this.
Alls are correct. Okay. With whom you are moving, going. Okay. We are using here the object of the verb.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am asking you the question. You have to answer. Whom will you blame for? Whom will you blame for the accident? Or whom will he blame for the accident? Which one is correct? Which one is correct?
Repeat the second one.
I am repeating it. Whom will you blame for the accident? Whom will he blame for the accident?
First, ma'am.
First, how?
First one.
Yes, ma'am.
First one will not. And second one will then? If I say no, the second one will?
Second will no.
No.
According to me, no.
Both are
Why? Object of the verb. I am saying here object of the verb. If I am saying object of the verb, then what is the verb here? Blame or accident? Which is the verb?
Blame. Blame.
Blame. Whom is there?
Yes.
So both are correct, na? Whom
Yes, ma'am.
will you blame? Whom will he blame? Both sentences are
Yes, ma'am.
correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, both sentences are correct. Whom will he blame for the accident and whom will you blame for the accident?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what? What? Object, idea, or action? Can I find you? Can I find you what you need help with? Can you tell me clearly what you want? What do you think about this subject? Object, idea, or action, we are using the word what for the question. Okay. किसके लिए हम लोग what का यूज करते हैं? ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए, आइडिया के लिए और एक्शन के लिए. Sometimes we say that, what do you think? How can we overcome with this problem? You ask someone for his or her opinions, or you want to get some ideas from them. Now, where? Where do we use this question word where? Where we use this question word where?
प्लेस के लिए मैम फॉर
प्लेस के लिए.
सही
Where
place.
का यूज कहाँ करते हैं?
प्लेस
Place के लिए. So we ask, where do you live? Where is your home? Where do you study? Where do your fathers live? Where can I see you again? Where did you lose your wristwatch? That means a definite place. We are asking for some definite place. Who is writing a net barbad? What happens? Anything problem? Anyone is having with this one? Net problem, anyone? Anyone is facing any issues with the net?
No, ma'am.
I have got something there. Rohit. Who is Rohit? Please unmute yourself. Who is Rohit? Please unmute yourself. Don't waste the class. What problem you are having, Rohit? Who is Rohit? Can I know? Do you people know who is Rohit? Do you people know who is Rohit? Yes or no?
Ma'am, we have too many Rohit in our session.
I don't know which Rohit is this one. Rohit Rajwar, sorry. Rohit Rajwar.
Ma'am, he always having some network issues.
Huh?
Ma'am, he always having some network issues with him.
Oh, Rohit. Where?
Rohit
Which
Rajwar.
branch he is from?
Civil branch.
Okay, okay, okay. If he is having problem, then what can we do? Because sometimes I also used to have network issues. Okay. Next, how? How? Right now I am tell you how. How किसके लिए use होता है? Right now, first class only I have tell you how. कहाँ use होता है?
For
How
quantities.
Manner.
any action.
Manner. How is used for the manner?
Ma'am,
Yeah.
where do we use what?
Where do we use what?
What?
Object, idea, and action. Object, idea, and action, we use what? If you want to note, please note it down. We use whose for possession. Whose for possession. Okay. Whom from object of the verb. Whom for object of the verb. Next is what. What we use for object, idea, and action.
Ma'am, one example of what? What's your name?
Yeah, what do you want? Can you tell me clearly what do you want? What do you think about this subject? What is your opinion about me? Okay. Now, where? Where we use for place. Which we use for choice. I have given the examples of which. Which किसके लिए use होता है? We use for our choice. Why? Now we come to why. Why का use हम कहाँ करते हैं? Can I give me one example of why? Reason. Why we use for reason? Why you were telling me the lie? Why you are telling me the lie? Why you are not completing your assignment? That means I am asking for the reason for what you have not completed. We here use why. When use we? Can you say me? For which purpose we use when?
Time.
Time.
Time. When का use होता है किसके लिए? Time के लिए. Time क्या है? Example. Example of time.
When is your next class?
When is your next class?
Next
When you
day,
get up.
tomorrow.
When you
yesterday,
get up नहीं होता रे, wake up होता है. When you get up.
do you wake up every day?
When do you get up? ये होता है.
Wake up every day.
When do you wake up every day? When do you sleep at night? सब चीज होता है, लेकिन when do you get up नहीं बोलना, wake up बोलना. Next, who? For which things we use who?
person,
Person. Example.
Who
Example.
are you?
Yeah.
who is that?
Who,
What you're saying? Who's? If I say,
Who's
who's
that?
that? Who's that is speaking right now? What you will say? What you will say? If I say, who's
who
not
is he?
speaking right now? Who's speaking right now?
Manish Kumar maybe.
That's
Ma'am, who is
Ayush.
he?
कैसे बोलोगे? That's Ayush. That's Manish. ठीक है? That's my answer होता. Who's that जब भी बोला जाता है, whenever you are using the question who's that, you have to answer that's Vanshaj, that's Mangalam, that's Vivek, like that. Is it clear? So how many
Yes.
words we have?
Yes, ma'am.
Question words, how many there are? Whose, whom, what, where, how, which, why, when, who. 9? Is it 9 or more than 9?
More than 9, ma'am.
How? Now, please note it down. Tomorrow you are also having a class. You have to make one sentences by using these words. Please note it down, the words. I am saying you some words. You have to just note it down. Tomorrow's class, I will ask you people. Okay. First, write it down. Whose?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose? Next, whom? Whom? You people can post it in the Google Classroom also. But after completing this, I will give you one assignment for you people to do about this question words. Now, don't post it in the Google Classroom, please. After finishing this chapter, this topic, I will give you some assignment. You have to just post it in the Google Classroom. I will share if anyone has gone through the chat box, they can find it, or otherwise I will just share it. Whose, whom, what, where, how, which, why, when, who. Is it 9? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So 9 sentences, you all people have to prepare it. Okay. Right now I am posting the Google Classroom code. You can just see in your WhatsApp chat. I'm just posting it. Just look at your chat box. Have you got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You all have got it? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now no problem. You know how you have to
No,
add
ma'am.
yourself? Now, next
Ma'am, I
one.
don't get.
Who don't get? Then you are not in the first year group.
Oh, in first year group.
We are in the first year group. I have posted.
Okay, ma'am, I get it.
Okay. Now, I am coming to those question words now. Is my screen is visible to you people?
No.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am, it is
No.
not shared yet.
Not visible. Okay. Is it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So question words. what we have discussed by some examples. Now I'm coming to this thing. Tomorrow it will be also be continued because in one day it cannot be finished up. What, which, and you, whose before a noun. These question words can be pronounced without a noun after them. What will be the best friend? There are lots of books here. Which do you want? Whose was the idea? They can also be determiners coming before a noun. Can you say me what are determiners? Can you say me what are determiners? You must have read what are determiners. Because one thing, if it will not clear to you people, then it cannot be possible. What do you mean by the word determiners? क्या होता है determiners?
Person who decides something.
Huh?
Person who
The
decides
word-
something.
Grammar
word
word
give
में
the-
खुद find up करो. What is a determiner? Something which is क्या बोलते हैं?
The word which is used in
Ah.
front of noun to specify the quantity.
Specify the quantity. And anyone?
And determiners are used to modify nouns.
Modify nouns. Anything else?
A modifying word that determines the kind of reference, a noun or noun group.
Can you say me where does determiners come? Noun के आगे में होता है कि noun के बाद में होता है? It comes before a noun or after a noun?
Before the
Before
noun.
Before a
Noun.
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 और adjective के after में होता है कि before में होता है?
What, ma'am?
Adjectives. It comes before adjective or after adjective?
For adjective.
Before adjective and before noun.
Both ma'am before.
Both before. But कौन सा circumstances में adjective के before में आता है? When it describes the noun. जब वो noun को describe up करता है कोई adjective, then it comes before a noun. Determiners को हम लोग हिंदी में क्या बोल सकते हैं? What we can say determiner in Hindi? What we can say determiner in Hindi? हिंदी में क्या बोला जा सकता है? What we can define? How we can define a determiner in Hindi? तो मैं एक चीज को क्लियर करना चाहते हैं. Each and every topic I just want to clear.
निर्धारक.
निर्धारित
विशेषण. विशेषण.
Ma'am, it's adjective na ma'am.
मैम एडजेक्टिव को भी सेकंड बोलता है.
निर्धारक किसको बोलते हैं? My goodness, you people now don't know English, don't know Hindi. When it comes before a noun and before an adjective, then निर्धारक करते. You people tell me in English only, okay? I am just saying you people, please tell me in English only what we can say determiner. Please define the word determiner to me. I just want to know.
Which refers noun ma'am.
A word
Which refers noun.
The word that comes before a noun.
Yes, a word that comes before a noun that provides a information. क्या information वो देता है हमको? Quantity. यही देता है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Specificity. Or who is the ownership. Simple word. A determiner is a word which comes before a noun and provides us such informations. Which types of information does it provide? Quantity, specificity and ownership. Examples. अगर articles के आगे हम क्या use करते हैं? A and the
Yes, ma'am.
these, that, these, those. ये क्या चीज हम यूज करते हैं? डेमोस्ट्रेटिव. क्वांटिटी हम कैसे शो करते हैं? फ्यू, सम, 9. ये हमारा क्या है? क्वांटिटी. ओके. तो डिटरमाइनर्स कितने टाइप के हमारे हो गए? आर्टिकल्स. पोजेसिव्स. पोजेसिव्स हमारा क्या है? What are the possessives? My,
your, whose.
Yes. Possessive means I am the owner. Ownership shows करता है ना? My, your, his, her. Okay. Okay. Now I'm coming to these things. All things we don't know, we have studied, but still we don't know. We are forgetting each and everything when I'm going through these things, revising you people. Now, there are lots of books here. Which do you want? Whose was the idea? They can also be determiners coming before a noun. What train will you catch? You will catch a train. Which books do you want? You want some of the books. Whose idea was it? Whose idea was it? How we will answer? It was his idea. It was someone's idea. Which can come before one or ones or before an phrase. Which ones do you want? ये हमको क्या शो करता है? Which one do you want? It defines क्या? Choice, possessiveness, what? Place. What does it shows?
Choice, ma'am.
Choice.
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 Guys,
Yeah.
Choice.
So that now you understand why first I have started my class with such an examples, because when going through the notes, you people will not face any kind of difficulties. Now, which ones do you want? Which of these postcards shall we send to Angela? The use of who, what, and which. I have repeatedly given the examples of who, what, and which. Who always refers to people. Which can refer to people or to something not human. What refers mostly to something not human, but it can refer to people when it comes before a noun. Human, not human. Who is your math teacher? Which teacher do you have? What idiot wrote this? Non-human. Which supermarket is cheapest? What book are you reading? What do you do in the evenings? Next one. Who is a pronoun and cannot come before a noun or before an phrase? Sorry, this one it will be not here. Before an phrase. Not. Who teacher do you have? And not. Who of the teachers do you have? There is a difference in meaning between what and which. What do you do in your spare time? What sport do you play? Which is the best route? Which way do we go now? We use what, when, there in an indefinite number of possible answers. We use which, when, there. We use which, when, there is a definite and often a small number of possible answers. What relates to the indefinite word a and which of the definite word the. Now, I request you all people, please switch on your videos so that I will have your attendance right now. Please all of you switch on your videos fast. Okay. Okay. Okay, now you can switch off your videos. No problem. Now, my next question. To you. We use what when there is an indefinite number of possible answers? We use which. Please note it down. This is a very important thing of use of which and what. We use what. Kaha use karte what ka when there is an indefinite number of possible answer where from we can hope that we can get much answers, more than one definite answer. We use which when there is a definite number of possible answer, what relates to the indefinite word a and which to the definite word the. What sport is sport? Tennis, golf, football. There are many sports that we can play. Now, which way? Either it is a left or it is a right. So there is two options only. There are a little bit of choices. So which way? The choice of what or which depends on how the speaker sees the number of possible answers. In some contexts, either word is possible. Next, what newspaper? What newspaper? Which newspaper do you read? What newspaper? Which newspaper do you read? What parts? Which parts of France have you visited? What site? Which site do you take? Next one, note. I have given a note over here. You can see we can use what to suggest that there are no possible answers. Why do not you invite a few friends? What friends? I haven't got any friends. Okay. Now, I have less than 1 minute. Now I request you all people that please all of you go to the Google Classroom and enter by today. In the Google Classroom, all of you please inform your friends also. I have already given the code over there. Okay, and please complete the home assignment, the 9 question words I have given to you people. Please complete those question words, and by tomorrow I want the answers by you. 9 sentences, each one of you have to prepare. First, I will go to you people and we ask the answers. After that, I will start